This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. All you need to know about ADA wheelchair requirements. Thanks for tuning in to RouteGenie. If you care about NEMT, hit like and subscribe. We post practical insights, business strategies, and compliance updates every week. If you're operating an NEMT business, understanding ADA wheelchair requirements isn't just about compliance. It's about providing safe, dignified transportation for people who need it most. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to keep your operations both legal and accessible. Why ADA compliance matters for NEMT. The Americans with Disabilities Act ensures equality for people with disabilities, and as an NEMT provider, you must accommodate a wide range of mobility devices. This includes manual and power wheelchairs, mobility scooters, and even devices like Segways or golf carts when used for mobility assistance. While covered entities have some rights, like limiting device speeds or identifying safety, restricted areas, refusing service based on mobility device type isn't an option. Essential space requirements. The ADA gets very specific about measurements, and for good reason. Here are the critical dimensions every NEMT provider should know. Pathways and passages must be at least 36 inches wide, with a minimum clear width of 32 inches for single wheelchair access. For two wheelchairs to pass, you need 60 inches of width. Maneuvering space requires at least a 60-inch diameter to allow for 180-degree turns. The minimum ground space for a stationary wheelchair is 30 by 48 inches. Door specifications are crucial. Doors must be at least 32 inches wide, operable with one hand, and require no more than 5 pounds of force to open. Thresholds can't exceed half an inch unless beveled. Reach requirements vary by approach angle. From the front, wheelchair users can reach up to 48 inches with objects at least 15 inches off the ground. Side approaches allow 54-inch reach with objects no lower than 9 inches. Vehicle-specific requirements. For NEMT providers with at least 15 employees, vehicle compliance becomes mandatory. Your vehicles must include at least one boarding device, either a lift or ramp, with sufficient interior space of at least 30 by 48 inches of clear floor area. Wheelchair securement areas should be positioned as close to entry points as possible and equipped with at least 4 tie-downs, seatbelts, and shoulder harnesses. Door height must be at least 56 inches to accommodate various mobility devices. Emergency systems are also required to handle power outages or automatically apply brakes when drivers aren't in the vehicle. Boarding device specifications. Whether you choose hydraulic lifts or ramps, both must meet strict standards. Lift platforms need barriers at least 1.5 inches high and 2 handrails positioned 30 to 38 inches above ground. Ramps must be at least 30 inches long and 30 inches wide. Both systems must support loads of at least 600 pounds, with individual lift mechanisms requiring a safety factor of 6 and ramps requiring a safety factor of 3. All edges need protection, and both lifts and ramps must stow without obstructing passenger movement, especially for wheelchair users. Beyond basic compliance. Smart NEMT operators go beyond minimum requirements. Key features that set providers apart include wide rear or side entries, quality wheelchair ramps or lifts, durable securement systems, flexible interior space, and reinforced lowered flooring. These aren't arbitrary specifications. They're designed to ensure wheelchair users can travel safely and comfortably. Full ADA compliance makes your NEMT business stand out from competitors while serving your community better. Consider diversifying services by offering durable medical equipment, including mobility devices. Familiarize yourself with ResNA safety standards. WC18, WC19, and WC20 certified wheelchairs and tie-down systems meet compliance requirements through rigorous crash testing and compatibility with vehicle safety features. Managing compliance operations. As your NEMT operation grows and compliance requirements become more complex, management software becomes essential. RouteGenie helps teams handle crucial tasks including billing, dispatching, scheduling, and route optimization while maintaining compliance standards. By integrating intelligence into your workflow, you don't just meet safety requirements, you set the standard for competitors while ensuring every passenger receives safe, dignified transportation. The bottom line: ADA wheelchair requirements represent more than legal obligations. They're your commitment to accessibility and dignity for individuals relying on mobility devices. Understanding and implementing these standards is crucial for both compliance and service quality. The specifications create a comprehensive framework for inclusive transportation that benefits everyone. When you exceed these standards, you're not just running a compliant business, you're providing essential community service that makes a real difference in people's lives. That wraps it up. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and watch the other NEMT resources we've recommended. Ready to optimize with RouteGenie software? Scan the QR code on screen or click the description links. Until next time.